Okay, let's see what else we got in this pile. Something heavy. Damn. Come on, knife cut. Tears. Doesn't cut, it tears. The light bulb hanging out here. Alright, this looks like an FXR dash. Make your FXR guys happy. Chrome plated, so I'm trying not to damage it here. That means don't cut across chrome. Cut across cardboard. Paper off of here, plastic. That was chrome over there. That gauge looks bad. I'm thinking this is not usable again. Gas gauge. Well, that got some serious amount of water on that thing. Yeah, this is probably not worth anything. How about this piece? It's heavy. Broken gauge parts. It looks original. Not sure all the splatter stuff on here is all about. Textured finish, I guess. Yeah, it's on there all over the place. It's kind of peeling up over here though. Some kind of stick-on stuff. Chrome looks pretty good on it. '82, 61414-82. Probably original '82, '83 stuff. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, chrome looks pretty damn nice. Sure, there's little scratches here and there in it, but it's definitely not corroded. Definitely presentable for a used bike. A couple of nicks right there was rubbed on something. Yeah, a few scratches in there here and there. Not too bad. I'd run it the way it is. It's for a rider, not a show bike. It's definitely better than some Taiwan Teddy piece of crap. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. Got some weight in this thing. It's definitely got some decent material. But, yeah, there you go. FXR. Takes a real small, they had a gas cap in here. So they had a gas gauge. That's a gas gauge that came out of there. So I don't know what year they use gas gauges. I don't know. I'll have to look it up. Definitely a gas gauge. Says full on it. I'm thinking this stuff's later, like 88, 90, something like that. Early ones they had I think that has speed on tack in these things, but no. This one's different. Obviously had to have a cap in the center. Unless the gas tanks had caps on them, I'm not sure. I have to look at my parts book, see what this says. But, oh well, I'll write down what it is in the description. Anyway, it's a nice little piece, so if someone needs something, I'm sure they're hard to find. A good one anyway. Alright, that's it for that one.